Robbie Patton ar gigrydd at Evan Press. Patton gyda troi dan bwysau gan Ben Clark. A Chris Hugh, capten y Barri o pas lag gan y fôn syth a Danny Redmond. Angen yr arbediad gan Mike Lewis, camgymeriad gan Chris Hugh. Danny Redmond, wel, yn agos at roi y Seintiau Newydd ar y blaen, mi oedd angen arbediad o safon y fan hyn gan golwr y Barri. Cotterill. Wedi gweld yr hediad y fan hyn gan Rhys a Brusi. Y peniad gan Keston Davies at Curtis Gemmet Hudson. Fydd o ddim yn hapus o gwbl Anthony Limbrick efo'r amddiffyn yn y fan yna gan Keston Davies. Davies. Harrington ydy'r targed. Y Brusi. A'r peniad amddiffynol at Routledge. Dyma Mullen. Routledge. Cyffyrddiad hyfryd gan Harrington. Creisiad yn disgyn i Ryan Brobl. Munud o'r ail hanner mae wedi gymryd i'r Seintiau Newydd fynd ar y blaen. Oedden nhw wedi curo ar y drws yn yr hanner cynta. O mi oedd hwnna yn sydliad beiddgar gan Harrington. Y creisiad gan Mullen a Ryan Brobl. Marriott ar gig gornel. Davies ar peniad yn taro'r postyn. Keston Davies. O, mae troed chwyth Chris Marriott yn hidloth yn tydeidol. Mae bell y fanna Keston Davies. Routledge. Marriott. Brobl. Gol o sy'n gwahanu'r tima ar hyn o bryd. Ben Clark. Pas hyfryd at Mullen. Mullen yn sgwar at Clark. Unwaith eto Clark at Sislovich. O, mae'n hawdd. Y pasio cywir cywrain gan y Seintiau, dyblu'r fantais. Ben Clark ymwybodol o bresenoldeb Sislovich. Hugh a'r tafliad at Robbie Patton. O, mi oedd o'n cysgu. A mae'n y gyfle fan hyn i Redmond. Redmond at Kyle Patton. Mae Chris Hugh yna hefyd. Hugh! Llorio Redmond. Drychwch lle oedd y dyfarnwr. Oedd o fewn troi dyfeddi i'r digwyddiad, Mr Jenkins. Cerdyn melyn i Chris Hugh. Cico'r sbotyn i'r Seintiau. Penderfyniad hawdd yn doedd. Mae'n Ryan Brobl eisiau wedi rwydo unwaith. Dyna chi sydd wedi gymryd cico'r sbotyn. Ryan Brobl, 71 o funudau wedi chwarae. Mae'n 2 i ddim ar drydedd gol i gadarnhau'r triffwynt i'r Seintiau. Cotterill. Da ni'n hwyr yn y gêm. Jarvis ar peniad o'na chi arbediad gan Harrison. O'r ergyd gan Josh Graham. O, arwrol gan Paul Harrison. A mi oedd y cliriad ar y postyn pella gan Bailey yn da hefyd yn doedd.
Yeah, I thought it was probably a professional performance, I would say. It was tight first half. We had a lot of the ball. Didn't probably create as many clear-cut chances as we would have liked, but I always felt like we could possibly wear them down in the game. And I think we did that, getting the early goal second half, which we've done a fair bit, actually, since I've been here. And credit to the players with that. They took on board what we said at half-time, and we got that first goal and then was able to move on from there.
Obviously disappointed with the result. But just super proud of the lads today. Super proud. It's our 9th game in 5 weeks, much like every other team in the league. And you know, we've got bodies out, etc. But the boys I thought were superb. Absolutely superb. And I think, you know, managed the game well until half-time. All right, they had some chances in the first half, etc., which is going to happen away from home. But, you know, we talk at half-time about, you know, solving some of their problems. I think we've done that. But when you concede in the second half with 50-odd seconds gone, you're always going to have an uphill battle.
I think sometimes when you're playing at different times, it can throw teams off a little bit. And all we can do, we've said for the last couple of weeks now, that we can just concentrate on ourselves. And we had to get the job done today. We had to get the job done Tuesday night. And we'll see where that puts us at the end of the season.
You know, the important thing for us now, we have been over the last couple of weeks, is trying to heal some bodies, trying to get, you know, boys back in the team, etc., and get some, you know, readiness then for the playoffs. And that's what the season's going to come down to. So, you know, today is obviously a disappointing day, but look, the character, the positives that come out of today for me are what's needed going forward.